Yes. Who will? Yes, correct. Who will pay the bill? Next is do blank do you want? Blank do you want? So the answer is what? What do you want? Next is blank is this purse? Blank is this purse? આ કોનો પર્સ છે? તો એનો આન્સર આવશે given in the paper. So you just have to read and think about the situation and you have to write the sentences. See one example I have written the points. Example I have written here about one story. That is about the Meera. So Meera working mother. Okay, Meera working mother. So now you can write there is a family and in that family there is one lady, the Meera. She is a working never take, so you have to put cross because no articles will come. He can never take flights because he gets an earache. Means a sound is there, so he gets an earache. કાનો દુખાવો થાય છે, ટ્રેન ઠીક જાય છે, ફ્લાઇટ થી જતા નથી. So I have an uncle who loves to travel by train. He can never take flights because he gets an earache. Okay, so these are the like this you have to do. Second number we will see, there was blank cyclone last night. Cyclone means the sound is what? Consonant sound. So we have to put a. There was a cyclone last night. The train met with blank accident. A sound is there, so you have to put a. The train met with an accident. All blank nearby hospitals are full with people who were injured. Now see, near all the nearby hospital, what's the answer will come? This film born, you can see the pronunciation is a award, right? So the answer will come N. This film won an award, but I don't understand how. It was an extremely silly film. So both N article will come. Last one is, when I went to Taiwan blank last year, I thought I would face blank problem since I did not know blank Chinese. Fortunately, blank hotel I stayed in treated blank customers with utmost care. Blank management offered blank help whenever I needed it. So the articles first is, when I went to Taiwan last year, means no article will come. When I went to Taiwan last year, I thought I would face problem since, means no article will come. I would face problem since I did not know Chinese, means in these three blanks no article will come. Fortunately, the hotel I stayed in treated customers, means no article will come here also. I stayed in treated customers with utmost care. The management offered help whenever I needed it. Okay, so there are so many blanks are there where we don't need articles. Okay, so like this you have to fill up the blanks. Understood about the question number 5A? Okay, so one more thing I want to explain you, that in examination be of the new event, or it may be of something is lost by someone or the found by someone. So notice is formally communicating so that from there we can communicate with the group of people by a short notice, and you can give the whole information, relevant information of the particular topic. Okay, so notice, you can give notice to your friend. Okay, notice is the formal information. Okay, so it can be like you are in the school, so you are like a head boy or head girl. So you can write a notice on the notice board also that tomorrow or day after tomorrow the project competition is there, or the music competition is there. So who wants to participate, give their name to their class teacher, the program time is day, and the head boy, last you have to write designation, who has written the notice, the designation you have, right? So these kinds of notice you can write, and you can understand that what is notice. First of all, we will learn the format of the notice writing, then after we will see some notice writing. Okay, so students, here we have the format and example of the notice writing. With the example, you can understand the format of the notice writing. Okay, so let's see the format and the example of the notice writing. See, first of all, you have to clear the format. If you are clear the format in your mind, then you can easily write the notice and you can easily get the marks. Okay, because in the through the format you can get the marks of 1 or 2 marks easily. You can get the marks from the format only, and then after the other marks from content. But the marks format, you have the marks of this box also, you have the marks of this name, this writing, this also. Then after this content, and this also contain marks. Okay, so I am explaining the format. You have to understand it clearly. See, in notice writing, first of all, you have to draw a box. Box is compulsory in the notice writing. Okay, so box is compulsory. You have to draw a box. You can draw a box after notice also or before notice also, but if you are drawing box before notice, so you have to write content only in that box only, and you have to write like these only. This is for understanding the format I have explained here, but this is your notice. Don't see the arrows. Arrows is for your understanding the what is the format, but you have to write this the whole notice. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do? The box you have to draw compulsory by pencil. Okay, and properly, not much broad, not much small, exactly notice is. Okay. Then after you have to give the date of that competition or date of that organization of the sports day or of the dance club. I have given here the date and time also. Okay. Then you have to first of all inform that this date, this time is going to be happen this event. So now next sentence what you have to write, that who are interested give their name to this person or give their name before 12 June or before this day to their class teacher. Okay, or to the head boy or head girl. So like this you can write the notice. Okay, so this is about the content. I hope you understand the content. Okay, so this is the content, date, time, when the program is going to be happen, what is happen. So you have to write here. Then after you have to leave line. Then after who has written the whole notice, their name will be written here in the next content. Content ની પછી એક લાઈન છોડીને પછી લખવાનું કે who has written this notice. So Rohan Raj. Okay. Last the see name of the writer if we have written, and last will come the designation of the writer. Designation means what? The writer is principal, the writer is head boy, the writer is class teacher, the writer is coordinator. कौन છે डेजिग्नेशन જેને નોટિસ લખી એ માણસ કોણ છે? પ્રિન્સિપાલ છે, હેડ બોય છે, લાઇબ્રેરિયન છે. તો કોણ છે તેનું આપણે ડેઝિગ્નેશન લખવાની છે, એનો પોસ્ટ એની પોસ્ટ લખવાની છે. ઓકે, at last. So after designation, last you have to write, this is for example dance academy is there, so music club or dance club you can write here dance club coordinator. Okay, who has written the notice? Rohan Raj. Who is that person? That is dance club or music club coordinator. Okay, so this is the format of the notice writing. This is format is actually format if you are knowing very well, then you can write the notice easily. Okay, so this is the format of the notice writing. First you have to write in the first you have to draw a box. Then in the first line of the box in the center you have to write the name of the organization or name of the school. Then after the next line in center you have to write the notice word in the capital letter, both school name and this in the capital letter you have to write. Then after in the next line left side you have to write the date in which form? The full date. Okay, I have already explained what is full date. Then after in the center next line you have to write the subject, what is the notice is about. Okay, and then leave one line and content will come. Means subject we have written that music competition is there. Music competition. Subject should be short. You don't have to write subject in a long way. For example, you don't have to write music competition in the school organization. Don't write subject more than 2 to 3 words like this. You have to just write in short the subject, that music competition, dance competition, holidays, vacation, holidays, Diwali vacation. What is the notice? In short you have to write the subject. Then after content, in content I told you that you have to give the information first of all what is the notice is about. Then after you have to give the time and date of that organization and when they have to give their name to whom that person, their all information will write in the short content. Then after content you have to give write whatever who has written the notice, that person's name, and then in that last you have to write the designation of that person, that principal, class teacher, head boy or head girl, whatever. So if head boy is there, so you have to just write like this. Dance coordinator is written, so you have to write head boy, principal, class teacher, bank manager. You can write like this the designation. Okay, then